I'm going to discuss question number 5. Okay, so see that this is our equation. If you write this as y is equal to this and then square it, you will get 1 minus x square. Okay. But then you take x square there, you will get x square plus y square is equal to 1. So this represent the uh, equation of a circle with radius is equal to 1 and origin as center. So this is your graph. Okay, but note that since this asks for root and root always takes when someone asks you square root, then it always takes the positive value. Okay, so y is always greater than equal to 0. So this is the graph corresponding to y is equal to 1 root over of 1 minus x square. Okay, and let's say if this question was minus root over of 1 minus x square, then it should have been this one. Okay, this below one. Okay, but in our question this is root over of 1 minus x square. So for example, let's say someone asks you root 4, then it will be root 2. Okay, not minus 2. Okay, uh, if this was written, then it will be minus 2. Okay. Okay, so okay, so we will only be concerned with the upper area above the this x graph. Okay, where y is positive. Okay, okay, then see, we don't need the entire area, we just need where x varies from 0 to 1. Okay, so the correct area will be this one, this one. Okay, so here x is equal to, let me change to a different color. Here x is equal to 1, right? And here x is equal to 0. Okay, so between this and this part is what we are concerned with. So it will be area of circle will be pi r square and the radius is 1. So this will be, and then divide by 4. Okay, so this will be pi by 4. Okay, let's go to question number 6. Question number 6. We have to use midpoint rule. With n is equal to 5 to approximate the integral 1 to 2. Okay, n is equal to 5, 1 to 2. Okay, so see, this is 1, this is 2. Divide it into 5 parts. So it will be, this one will be 1.2, this one will be 1.4, this one will be 1.6, this one will be 1.8. Okay, so we have divided it into 5 parts, right? Okay, and midpoint rule. So for each interval, take midpoint. You will approximate it with midpoint. So let's say this one is 1.1. This one is 1.3. This one is 1.5. This one is 1.7. And this one is 1.9. So your this C1 is this one, C2 is this one, C3 is this one, C4 is this one, C5 is this one. Okay. And okay, so this will be FCK uh, delta XK. You check delta XK is XK minus XK minus 1, and we have chosen equal intervals. I mean the width is equal for everyone. That is what, 0.2, right? Okay, and this will be K from 1 to 5. Okay, so you do this F of 1.1, and this will be 0.2. Then F of 1.3, this will be 0.2. This will be F of 1.5. This is 0.2. This is F of 1.7, 0.2, F of 1.9, 0.2. Okay. So take 1.2 common. This will be F1.1, F1.3, F1.5, 1.7, F1.9. So this is 1 by 1.1, this is 1 by 1.3, this is 1 by 1.5, 1 by 1.7, 1 by 1.9. Okay. I hope you can calculate this one. Okay. You calculate this one. Okay. This finishes question number 6. Okay. So the left, I have only left 4B, right? Let's go to 4B. Okay. Okay. So I have to evaluate 0 to 3 x cube minus 6x dx. Okay. Okay. So let's see what we did earlier. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's what I'm going to do is I'm going to take n equal sub intervals, and then I will let n tend to infinity to get the answer. Okay. Uh, let's see. K is equal to 1 to n. Okay, and I can choose anyone. I will choose right endpoint. Okay. Uh, if you see 4A, we did right endpoint, right? So that one only I will do. Okay, let's say n intervals. Let's say uh, this one is 0. Then this one, if you divide 3 into n equal parts, then it will be 3 by n, right? Okay, so this one will be 3 by n. This one will be 6 by n. This one will be 9 by n. And so the kth one will be k minus 1 by n. This one will be k by n. Sorry, 3 into k minus 1 by 3 into k by n. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's okay, so if just focus on this one, this kth interval, this endpoint is 3 into k minus 1 by n, and this one is 3k by n. Okay. And what is the right endpoint? Right endpoint is this one, right? So our ck is 3k by n. Okay. Let's put this here. F ck delta xk. Delta xk, you know, is the width, which is 3 by n, right? So, and this is ck is our 3k by n, 3k by n, and this delta xk is 3 by n. Okay, and this will be k from 1 to n. Okay, let's see. So this will be 3k by n. This will be cube minus 6 3k by n, right? Because your fx is x cube minus 6x, right? So that's what I'm using, and into 3 by n. And then this is summation. Okay. So let's see. This will be summation. Cube will be 27. K cube n cube minus 18 k by n, right? And multiplied by 3 by n. Okay. So this is k1 to n. So okay, so just take, this will be 27 by n cube. Okay, just multiply this. Okay, this one will be 81 and 4 k cube minus 18 into 3 54 k by n square. K is equal to 1 to n. Okay, you take 81 and 4 common. This will be k1 to n k cube minus 54 n square common. K is equal to 1 to n k. Okay, so what is the definition for sorry, what is this formula? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, so on till n cube. What is the formula for this one? For this one, you know, right? N into n plus 1 by 2. For this one, let me check first. N cube sum. Okay, just let me, well, first n cube sum. Okay, this is n square, n plus 1 square by 4. Okay, so this one I'm going to use. This one will be n square n plus 1 square by 4. Is this correct? Yes, okay. And this one minus. Okay, so as an exercise, you try to prove this, okay, by induction. Okay. Okay. Now you n and you can cancel, and you can write 1 plus 1 by n. Okay. And also 2 you can cancel, it will be 27. So this will be 27. Okay, and this will be 81 by 4, right? And then if you do n square will cancel, and this will be n plus 1 by n square minus 27, 1 plus 1 by n. So this one will be 81 by 4 plus 1 by n. Okay. Okay, so now take n tend to infinity. Then this one will be 0. So it will be 81 by 4 minus 27, because this one will be also 0. So your answer will be 481 minus 27 into 4, 108. Before. So this one will be what? 19. We just do it. 27 minus 27 by 4. Okay.